single? Ay, nako. Babae ka? Ay, nako. Ikaw Ay, grabe ito. Hindi na ito. Kahit ako, pwede pa. So, palakpakan po natin. Welcome po natin. Kailangan palakpakan mo kasi may lain ko magsalita pag hindi mo papalakpakan. Okay lang ba yun?
Yes!
Please welcome, Adrian Fajardo!
So, good morning. Good morning.
Morning.
English is like, so, I'm Aldrin Fajardo. I'm studying in the University of San Carlos, BSBA. So, every day going to school, I just ride a jeep from Pitbos to San Carlos. Meaning, layo kayo na. And then, so, and every time wala ako, bukoy ko sa amigo niya, na ako sa passenger seat. And then, one day, niyan ako na, I'm tired of being in the passenger seat. Why not ako na sa a driver? Or not like sa mga guys, or even to girls, do you even get to the point na it's a hot day niya, nag-wait ka sa jeep, na oh shit, how I wish na na ako yung car. Or even if it's raining, naka-date ka na, like, pwede lang, comfort. So moto, I keep praying, dude. I keep praying niya. Even if before pa, even Lord, give ko, unsay, na-flood sa diri nga, or na-tabo sa kasi mga killing sa even though, if you're free, if you're not busy, is it okay if you answer my prayer and give me a car, and Yamoto, until I read, Apple texted me, and she said, did you come here to GFI because I'm going to give you an opportunity. The word is opportunity. So, I came in, and open-minded ako. I didn't close my mind na, this is going to be something, a scam, I just keep my mind open. So, she explained to me the business plan, and I got interested. And this is what I said, this is what God gave me. This is the prayer. This is my prayer. This is the opportunity. So, I didn't have any second thoughts. Nag-isog ako, student. I only had, 3,000. Yan, nasa so, mom, please give me. Kuha na lang. I'll pay you back 10,000 back. Just give me time. Moto, when I joined, so, like what Louis said, in every business, it's not like just because you pay 8-9, bro. Sitting pretty lang ako, you can watch the money pile up. In every business, you have to work hard, dude. Patience, hard work, everything. That's what you need to do in this business also.
Yes.
And I assure you, if you grab this opportunity right now, did you come magmahay? Like you can get your dreams, everything. This is the prayer that you really needed. So, to the newcomers, like, what are you waiting for, pa? I mean, this is not a question. This is not a choice. This is already an opportunity. There's nothing wrong here. I mean, what's 8-9, diba? I mean, within a month, you can get it back. So, instead of like spending it to, make it productive, invest it on something good.